Welcome to another beautiful day here in Netanya. The conditions are smaller than yesterday, but it looks pretty cool, looks pretty clean and surfable. The women's like doing a good show, and let's see, like it's sunny, it's clear, it's good, it's warm, all good.
Hi everyone, we are here in Netanya. Beautiful day here, nice sunny day, and the contest is finished for the girls and the men. Now it's the expression session.